Hello everyone. So in today's breakdown, we'll check it out on RGB channels in the Photoshop. I'll try to use the three different displacement maps, and we'll try to make three displacements in one texture. Okay, and the purpose for that is to optimize the scene, and let's say like Unreal Engine love to do a packing with roughness, ambient occlusion, and metallic maps. It's a same workflow. We split the RGB channels to use the different maps in them. So let's get started. Great, so let's open Photoshop. Let's open three textures, three displacement maps. As you can see, these three displacements I'll just drag into the Photoshop. Great. So I will pick the order, rearrange it. So basically this is the biggest details, at least I'm thinking right now like that. It's the biggest changes in geometry. It's the second of biggest details you see, and that will be the blue probably channel, the finest details. So I will set up that one on red, that one on green, and that one blue. Let's do it. So I will try to copy all the maps. Now we can close others. So as you remember, the finest details was blue, mid details will be green, and biggest details will be red. Okay, so let's start. Right click, blending options, and leave it only red channel. By the way, if you will check on the channels, you just need to turn all of them and leave only one. Yeah, so basically this is the steps to do that. Right click, blending options. For the red, leave only red channel. For a green, I will leave only green channel. For a blue, definitely a blue channel. Great. As you can see, we have something like that. Let's check it out. We have a red channel. On the red channel, the biggest, finest details. We have a green channel. We have a blue channel. Super awesome. So basically, right now we can just flatten the image, and as you can see, all channels persisting, existing, everything is cool. So what we can do next, just save the image in your preferred format. So let's do it in a JPEG. So this is it. We have displacement. I mean, three displacements on one map, and that map in MBs, you can see it's at 10 MBs, and if we will check all three of them, it will be around the 20. So we optimized the displacement, and later on I will show you how to set up it in Vray and Maya. Same process to set it up in the Arnold in Maya. Okay, have a great day.